So now we just need to send this guy back into to Maya, and we've got two different sculpt shapes here. So theoretically, at least, we should just be able to select our face, which is this guy here, and then we go File, Send to Maya, and this is the important part down here, is we need to go to our preferences, and we can go down here, instead of it being on flatten sculpt layers before sending, which is the default setting, we need to shift this over to export sculpt layers on current mesh as Maya blend shapes. So once we've done that, we can just hit OK, send to Maya, and I always like to add selected to current scene, so we're just going to do this. This is our existing scene, and in will come our actual mesh from Mudbox. So if we just grab our old mesh here and move it out of the way, we can sort of come in here and see what's happened. Now I have a bug, so it doesn't actually work, but by default you should see the mesh come in with some blend shapes here. Now if it doesn't, and you're kind of like me, and we do actually have our blend shapes, so we can sort of come in here and just turn the visibility on for those blend shapes. Now of course my hotkeys are not working as well, so this is another bug that I have with this send to feature, is it kills my hotkeys. So I'm just going to do a save scene and do a quick restart. Okay, so we're back, and I now have my hotkeys working again, so we can just select these shapes here and turn them on, and as you can see they'll come in, and we'll move them to the side. So that's smile mouth shape, they've been named correctly, so we can just bring these guys over to the side, and you can see which ones this is our mouth shape and this is our eye shape. Now if we want shaders on those, we can just right click and we can go assign new material, Lambert. That will just assign a default material to these guys. Now to create the blend shape, so this should automatically be set up for us, but if it isn't, we just go select 1, 2, 3, and then go create the fullness blend shape. Now we've got that blend shape node, and we can see that we actually have the smile shape happening, and we also have our smile eyes happening by themselves. So if I'm to select that to that, let's put our skin shader onto, I've just got a skin shader in here, that's that one there, assign that material back again. Okay, so we should have a nice skin shader, hide this guy here, hide these two guys here. Now we are back to status as we did. We can go blend shape, edit, select node. We've got our blend shapes now here in Maya, looking a bit naff, so we'd want to do some tweaking obviously on that. It's not looking the greatest, but once it's sort of merged in here, we didn't clearly merge those two together very well, but you can sort of see how that would work on a very sort of a standard kind of a level there. So there's that sort of kicking in, and then that one there. Just make sure you got your smooth blend shapes working nicely, and that will get rid of this lumpiness in the cheek area, and that's how we make blend shapes in Mudbox.